In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an underline to text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're editing documents for work, school, or personal use, mastering this simple yet effective tool can help you emphasize important information and make your documents more visually appealing. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. The first step is to open Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you're not familiar with Adobe Acrobat, it's a versatile program that's great for managing and editing PDF files. Once you've got the software up and running, you'll want to open the specific PDF file to which you'd like to add the underline. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top of the screen, selecting Open, and then browsing through your files to choose the right one. Once your document is open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that your PDF is open in Adobe Acrobat, identify the section of text you want to underline. Hover your cursor over the text, click and drag to highlight the desired text area. Highlighting is a crucial step as it tells Adobe Acrobat exactly what content you are interested in editing. Make sure you're accurate with your selection to ensure the underline will only appear where you want it. Once you've highlighted the text, look at the top of the window for the Tools menu. You'll see various text editing options available, including a small icon that represents an underlined T. This is your underline tool. Click on this icon to apply the underline effect to your highlighted text, and just like that, your text is now underlined. Remember, using underlines is not just about aesthetics, it's also a powerful way to guide readers' attention to the most crucial parts of your document. If you're working on a dense PDF filled with information, an underline can help specific sections stand out and ensure that nothing important gets overlooked. Before closing Adobe Acrobat Pro, it's essential to save your changes. To do this, simply go to the File menu again, choose Save, and confirm your action. Saving ensures that your edits are preserved and the underlined sections are integrated into your document, ready for future reference or sharing. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully learned how to underline text in Adobe Acrobat Pro, enhancing your document's readability and effectiveness. Thank you for joining this tutorial. With these steps, you're well equipped to make precise and stylish edits in any PDF document. Happy editing!